Hi, my name is James. I'm one of the diagnostic technicians here at Porsche Centre Belfast. Some of the benefits of working somewhere like this is the state-of-the-art facilities we have and the constant manufacturer training.
The brand itself it's incredible to say you get to say you work for Porsche. The car is just phenomenal to work on.
For anyone coming from the likes of an independent garage, the place is miles ahead. We have new modern facilities. We have all the tooling, special tools that's required to carry out the job. We also have very good facilities away from the workshop. We have a really good canteen. The place is constantly kept very clean and tidy. We have great staff parking on site. Compared to previous dealerships I've worked in, tools and equipment are readily available. They're all well organised, easy to find, and anything that's needed is got.
Some of the standout features are the likes of the ramps. They're in the ground there, so you don't have to worry about when you open a door or anything like that. The water and oil is all on rails, which are right beside the ramp, so again, easy access, and your benches right there along with your toolbox.
We have a great team here at Porsche Centre Belfast. Everyone works off each other's strengths. Everybody will go to everybody else for help, and that's a good thing to have.
The team environment here is very good. Everybody's always happy to help each other. If you're ever stuck, there's plenty of people to ask, and they'll always come and help.
One of the big attractions to working at Porsche specifically was you are working at the top level of the manufacturers. We have the best products, there's constant innovation, it's just constantly exciting, new stuff coming through. I recommend any technicians considering a changing career to apply work for Porsche, because we have, as I've said, constant dealer training, we have the best facilities, and it's just a great brand to work with.